Hello.
Hello.
So we're off for the weekend again. We're going down to the New Forest again. This time we're going to Roundhill, which is also run by Camping in the Forest. It's down near Brockenhurst, so further south than much further south than Ocknall. It's a large campsite, has a lot of pitches. It's another one where you just can park wherever you like as long as you're 6 metres away, but it doesn't have any services. There's no toilets, so you've got to bring all your own stuff basically. We're just heading round the M25. Been stuck in traffic for a while, so running a little bit late. Just turning now onto the M3 to head down onto the M27, then across the A31 briefly. Actually, no, we don't go down the A31. We turn off at the end of the M27, don't we, and go through. So yeah, that's the route we're going to take. Because it's quite late in the evening or late in the day, and we're heading into the sun, although it's disappeared behind a cloud briefly. Don't know how much filming we'll be able to do, but if we are able to do it, then we'll get a couple of shots as we travel down to the campsite. So yeah, come along and enjoy the adventure.
Okay. Yeah, so we're going to Roundhill this time, as Peter said. So the reason Roundhill is one of my favourites is...
Wasn't last week your favourite?
They're all my favourites. It's, yeah, as Pete said, it's a really big campsite. It's got lots of space, and you get donkeys, horses, cows, all just roaming around. It's really lovely. You've got forest on one side, and then you've got Beaulieu Heath on the other. And there's a really lovely little pond which I love to sit at in the evening at dusk with my little bat detector. And I just love to sit there and listen to the bats and watch the bats skimming across the water. Yeah, it's just a really nice thing to do. So yeah, hopefully we'll film a bit of the bat detecting a bit later. Might be able to show you some of that as well.
Yeah, I think yeah, once that cloud disappears, it'll
nice
turn out all right, as they say.
Yeah, no, it's actually been quite a nice day today.
So we're just coming past Winchester on the M3. Got the roadworks where they're apparently installing drainage. Not quite sure why we need drainage with the summer we've had, but I'm sure it's forward thinking. Not sure if the camera's picking that up, but it's a really nice sunset, isn't it?
Yeah, very nice sunset.
Just managed to get the electricity cables in there. Fantastic. just to frame the shot. Oh, another set of electricity cables.
Yes, that is an amazing supply.
So we arrived last night, probably about 8 o'clock, so it's too dark to film the arrival or setting up. We actually started, or we set up under those trees over there last night, the two in the middle of the shot. But this morning, a robin could see his reflection in our window and kept attacking the window. I'll show you some footage that we quickly took of that. So we decided to move to save the poor blighter by using all his energy. So we've moved just very slightly. As you can see, the campsite is huge. There There aren't a great many people here, but the ones that are so well spread out that yeah, you've got masses of space. So we're just about to go off on a bike ride, so we're going to have a cycle around the campsite, so that if we walked, we'd be probably take us half an hour to walk around the campsite. So we're going to have a little ride around the campsite, just show you how big it is, and then just go out for a ride into the New Forest, possibly do the Beaulieu airfield, and then head north into the cycle route going towards Denny Wood. So this is where we were last night, literally just here, and yeah, the robin was attacking our window, so we moved to save the robin, but also to get some additional sunlight on the solar panel. So I think she's probably in the middle of the site here. Jane's just going to stop for some water. So we just go to the end here, and then we'll turn left to go up the one half of the west side, and then just do an anti-clockwise loop around the site, yeah?
Okay.
Oh,
You know,
a little bit of a race. Huh? Do I take him up on the challenge? No, we'll let him win that one. Probably beat me anyway.
Most definitely.
What? So, yeah, I think we can swing round to the left, can we? Along the path there? Yeah, just where this young challenger's going. Yeah?
Yep.
Good stuff. So a slightly more wooded side of the site, this.
Yes.
But,
As I said earlier, it's woody this side and
to the north
heath on the other.
Oh dear. Lucky you got cycling shorts on.
Why?
It was bumpy.
Oh.
Me. Go on, go ahead. You go ahead, yeah.
Morning.
Morning. So turn left again. So this is the furthest point where you can go. No camping on the right hand side of me. You go down here and then cut. You're right.
Yep.
Cut right across the grass, can you? Yeah. Huh?
Here?
Yeah, yeah. So we've left the campsite now and we're just heading, as I say, toward the Beaulieu airfield, old Beaulieu airfield area. They've got a circuit you can cycle all the way around. Last time we came down here, I can't remember, we stopped down here on the right for something. What was that? There was that pond, wasn't there, or something? And the deer.
Yeah. Yeah, we looked at some deer in the distance over to the right.
Yeah.
And I think we saw some newts as well.
Newts. Yeah. I wonder if it's still going or whether it's dried up. I'll have a look.
Obviously we didn't see the newts in the field.
Sorry?
We saw the newts in a little pond.
Yes. Yeah, the deer weren't in the pond and the newts weren't in the field. Otherwise we'd have been as a newt. I think this was it. Is this it here, up here?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, this was it. Gosh. Wow. Was it this or was it just up there?
And we saw some in here.
Gosh.
The water level's a lot lower.
So much drier.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. I don't expect it's the time of year for them, but so I can't see any in there.
Yeah, and this is just a muddy puddle over here.
Have a look at that. Is there any in that? Is there any water in that other one?
Which one? Oh,
Just,
up here.
Just up there. Yeah, just up there on the right.
No, it's just mud.
No?
No, it's just mud.
No. Oh. Gosh, a bit bumpy.
It is,
Places.
Yeah, it is bumpy.
Say again?
It is bumpy.
In places, but better than that stone surface.
Yes.
So down in the southeast corner, they got a model flying club area. where you can bring your remote controlled aircraft. Fantastic. Pretty popular place to come. Yeah, so the surface I think is a bit more stony down the southern side, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. A bit more.
Not so much tarmac or concrete. You're not going through the puddle?
No.
Bit better?
That's better.
So, nearly back to the campsite.
Yes. That was a very nice little ride.
It's nice riding on these pine needles.
Nice and soft.
Very comfortable. Bit slow, but very comfortable. God. I don't know where that wind's come from.